Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all posts on Facebook. If you want to clean up your Facebook profile, you can delete multiple posts using Facebook activity log. So firstly, you need to open your Facebook app on a device. And from here, you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right. And once you're inside the profile, you need to select this a three dot icon in the top right. Select that. So over here, you need to go to this activity log. And beside the post, there's the three dot icon, select that. Move to trash and you need to manually do it and then repeat the process until you have removed all the posts that you no longer want on your profile. And after that, you can go to the trash again and delete it again. And select three dot icon and select delete in the bottom. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.